If I had to start over in 2026, with no money, no connections, and just a laptop, here is exactly how I would start making money using AI. Not hype, not get rich quick. Just a realistic strategy anyone can follow. Because the truth is, artificial intelligence has changed the rules. It's lowered the barrier to learning, and it has lowered the barrier to starting, but it has not removed the need for discipline. AI is leverage, and leverage only works if you use it. The first thing I would do is choose a skill, not a random side hustle, a real skill. Because skills create income, tools just amplify it. Right now, there are several skills that businesses are paying for every day: copywriting, digital marketing, data analyst, automation consulting, content creation. These skills are valuable because they help companies grow, and today, AI can help you learn them much faster. For example, you could open a tool like ChatGPT and ask a simple question: what skills are in high demand in 2026? Then go deeper. Create a 30-day learning plan for beginner copywriting. Within seconds, you have a roadmap, structured, clear, and free. 10 years ago, people paid thousands of dollars for that type of guidance. Now it takes one prompt. Once you pick a skill, the next step is learning it quickly. This is where AI becomes extremely powerful. Instead of reading 10 different articles, you can ask AI to summarize books, explain complex ideas, or create practice exercises. For example, if you're learning marketing, you could ask, explain how email marketing works like I'm a beginner. Then follow it up with, give me 3 examples of high-converting email campaigns. Then ask, create a practice project I can try today. You're not just consuming information, you're accelerating your learning. That is leverage. Now, once you start developing that skill, the next step is turning it into income. And this is where most people overcomplicate things. They think they need a perfect website, a big audience, or a complex business plan. But you don't. You just need your first client. And today, platforms make that easier than ever. Sites like Upwork or Fiverr connect freelancers with businesses every day. Companies are constantly looking for help with things like writing content, managing social media, creating marketing campaigns, editing videos, or automating workflows. You can start small. One project, one client, one result. Then build from there. And AI can help here too. You can use it to draft proposals, brainstorm service ideas, improve your writing, or even analyze a client's business. For example, before sending a proposal to a company, you could ask AI, analyze this company's website and suggest 3 ways they could improve their marketing. Now your message becomes more valuable, more thoughtful, more strategic, and clients notice that. Now let's talk about something important: money. Because making money is only half the equation. Keeping it and growing it is where real wealth begins. If I started earning extra income today, I would avoid one big mistake: lifestyle inflation. Instead of upgrading everything, I would start investing, even small amounts. Because investing consistently matters more than starting big. You could start by learning about index funds. They're simple, diversified, and designed for long-term growth. You could even ask AI, explain index fund investing like I'm a beginner. Within minutes, you'll understand concepts like diversification, compound growth, and long-term investing. Then you open a brokerage account and start small, maybe $50, maybe $100, consistently, every week. That's how leverage turns into wealth. Now here's the uncomfortable truth. AI will not make you rich. It will not magically build your discipline, and it will not execute your ideas for you, but it will amplify your effort. It will help you learn faster, work faster, and build faster. And the people who understand that will move ahead quickly, because right now, most people are using AI for entertainment, scrolling, experimenting, passing time, while a small group is using it strategically, learning skills, building systems, and creating income. The tool is the same. The difference is focus. So if I had to start over today, this is the formula I would follow. Choose a skill. Use AI to learn it faster. Find your first client. Deliver real value. Then invest the income you generate. And repeat that process. Again, and again, and again. Because wealth is not built through shortcuts. It's built through consistent action. AI is just the newest form of leverage. And leverage is powerful when discipline is applied consistently. If you want to learn how to use AI strategically to build income and long-term wealth, subscribe.